So discussing the next technique, 3-digit multiplication. Here we will be using the same multiplication technique for solving 3-digit multiplication. So here just keep this approach in your mind. Keep this symbol in your mind so it will be easy for you to calculate. So a straight line, cross mark, and then one more cross with a straight line, again a cross and the straight line. So this is your approach. So let us take a small example. So what is the product of 235 multiplied with 416? So here the same thing. First 5 into 6 comes to how much? 30. And second step, if you look at the approach, there's a cross mark. Like 3 into 6. So 3 into 6 is 18 and then 5 into 1 is 5. So 18 plus 5. Now next. So 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3 into 1 is 3 and then 5 into 4 is 20. So this will be your third part. And fourth part is 2 into 1 is 2 and 3 into 4 is 12. And the next part it is 2 into 4. There is a straight line, so 2 into 4 is 8. So here you can add all these numbers in the separation. So it will be 8 slash 14 slash 35 slash 23 slash 30. So as I told you, in every part you should have a single digit. So the extra digit will be carried to the previous part. So the last digit will be 0. 3 will be carried to the previous part. So 3 plus 3 is 6. And then 2 here is the extra digit. So 2 will be carried to 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then 3 is the extra part. So extra digit. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And 1 will be carried to the previous part. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So your value will be 97760. So let's see the same thing with the next problem. So what is the product of 469 multiplied with 803? We'll use the same approach. First it is 9 into 3, that is 27. Then 6 into 3 is 18 plus 9 into 0 is 0. And for the third part, 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 0 is 0, 9 into 8 is 72. So it will be 12 plus 0 plus 72. And next part is 4 into 0, it is 0, 6 into 8 is 48. So 0 plus 48, and last 4 into 8, that is 32. So you can add all the values and you will get 32 slash 48 slash 84 slash 18 slash 27. As I have already told you, within a number there should be only single number. So 7 will be your last part, 2 will be carried to the previous number, so 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 you will write here and 1 will be shifted here. So 2 plus 4 makes 6, 8 will be carried to the previous number, 8 plus 8 is 16, 6 you will write here and 1 will be shifted to 4 which makes 5. So 5 will be carried to the previous number, 5 plus 2 makes 7 and 3 will be written as it is. So your final answer will be 376607. And you have to follow the same approach. Whenever you get an extra number, you have to carry it to the previous number. So coming to the next example, what is the product of 329 multiplied with 947? So first one, 9 into 7 is 63. Then for the second part, 2 into 7 is 14 plus 9 into 4 is 36. Then 3 into 7 is 21 plus 2 into 4 is 8 and 9 into 9 is 81. Slash next one is 3 into 4 it is 12, 2 into 9 it is 18 and lastly 3 into 9 is 27. So now you can see it is 27 slash 30 slash 110 slash 50 slash 63. So same thing, whenever you have an extra number you will shift it to the previous number. So 3 will be here and 6 will be shifted to the previous number. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 5 is extra here, 5 will be shifted to previous number. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 11 will be added to 0 and sum is 11. So place a 1 in answer and 1 will be carried to next place. And 3 plus 1 plus 7 is 11. So write 1 and 1 will be carry and 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer is 311563. So let us see one more example. So sometimes you get numbers like you have to multiply a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So what we can do in such cases? Like it is 653 multiplied with 84. So first you have to do the same approach when you have 2-digit number. So in order to make it a 3-digit number, you will write it as 084. Why? Because 084 is same as 84. So 653 multiplied with 084. So as I told you, the same approach. So 3 into 4 is 12. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 3 into 8 is 24, then slash, then 6 into 4 is 24, 5 into 8 is 40, 3 into 0 is 0, slash, and then 6 into 8 is 48, 5 into 0 is 0. Lastly, 6 into 0 is 0. So as I told you, so similarly, whenever you have two numbers, so you can add one number as carry to the previous value. So here 2 will be the last digit, 1 will be carried to the previous number, so this will make 5, and 4 will be carried to the next number, so 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 will be carried to the next number, so 6 and 8 makes 14, so you will write 4 here and 1 will be there. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 5 will be carried to the previous number, so 5 plus 0 makes 5. So your answer will be 54852. So this is the way you can multiply any 3-digit number or 2-digit number using this way. So by using this technique, I'll give you 30 seconds to solve each problem. So try to solve the examples.